Hey guys, today we will compare two new smartphones, OnePlus 70 and Samsung Galaxy A70s. Let's start. First, give a look on the screen. OnePlus 70 has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED screen, and other side Samsung Galaxy A70s has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen. And next, compare front camera. OnePlus 70 has a 16 megapixel front camera and Samsung Galaxy A70s has a 32 megapixel front camera. And next, compare the other specification. OnePlus 70 has a 8GB RAM with 128 and 256GB storage, but other side Samsung Galaxy A70s has a 2 optional RAM, 6GB and 8GB with 128GB storage. Next, compare the main camera. OnePlus 70 has a triple rear camera, 48 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 12 megapixel, and Samsung Galaxy A70s has a also triple rear camera, 64 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. And next, about the performance, OnePlus 70 has a 2.9 GHz octa-core processor with Snapdragon 855 plus chipset, and Samsung Galaxy A70s has a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor with Snapdragon 675 chipset. Now guys, give a look on some other specification. OnePlus 70 has a Android 10 and Samsung Galaxy A70s has a Android 9, and both smartphone comes with dual SIM option. And talk about the GPU, OnePlus 70 has a Adreno 640 and Samsung Galaxy A70s has a Adreno 612, and both smartphone has a fingerprint sensor on the display. And talk about the battery, OnePlus 70 has a 3800 mAh battery with fast battery charging, and Samsung Galaxy A70s has a 4500 mAh battery with fast battery charging. And talk about the price, OnePlus 70 average price is 3800 in India rupees and 650 in US dollar, and other side expected price 29,000 India rupees and 400 in US dollar. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video update.